pathetic state of the walls, of the ceiling, of the floor. Now the other day they said like they have vacated, they have gone. But as far as I know, the information I have gathered through the sources, and especially the ladies who called me yesterday said, sisters have not gone out of their will. Sisters were pushed away. Sisters felt humiliated. So I said, but I've heard people, and I've read somewhere that sister said that Panjim is rich and there are no poor people in Panjim. I can say that it may be a sarcastic statement made by the sister out of humiliation or frustration or by feeling hurt. I've known that this is going on for the last 10 years, from 2014. I understand that, when the missionaries of charities run म्हणल्यार कितें means समाज सेवा ती प्रॉफिट करपाचो बिझनस न्ही तो. जे कोण चॅरिटी दिता, फंड्स दिता, ताजेर ती तांकां पोसतालीं डेस्टिट्यूटांक, अनवेडीड मदर्सांक, भुरग्यांक कोणाक सोडलेलीं आसा, जाणटेलीं, तांकां ती पोसतालीं. दे डिडंट हॅव मनी to repair this or renovate this, and last 10 years it was going on. म्हाका दिसता कितें तरी भासाभास जाताली between the trustees and between the missionaries of charities. And I think somewhere when it was going on, तांचे जायते meetings were supposed to be held, this, that, but I understand that there was no funds, there was no support system for the missionaries of charity. And then they had to come to this conclusion. But I feel no, there are many poor people. I can show how many poor people are in Panjim. Panjim city must be rich, but there are many people and destitutes, old people, unwedded mothers. Who are there? People come, contact us. आमी कितले जाणां प्रोविडन्सान घातला, हिंगा जाल्यार फ्री आसताले. आयज कितले जाणां म्हाका दिसता अनाथ आसा पळय येवपाक आसलेलीं, तांकां तुमी बेगर केला. This was the home for the homeless. This was the home for the hopeless, and today it's just over. I can't just take it. I feel somewhere, I've heard, I don't know, I don't want to get politics here. It's nothing to do with politics. It is nothing to be, to do with the MLA of Panjim. Nothing I will speak about Babush because I know he's not involved. I would not like to talk about the BJP Sarkar here because I know that CN is not involved, because this issue is with the trust and this issue is between the missionaries of charity. But I think strongly, as I've gathered some information, that the South Goa, one of the strongest powerful men who has the habit of talking to God, देवा कडेन उलयता तो पळय, ताजे कितें तरी खंय पर्सनल फॅमिलीचे कितें तरी हांगा कितें बिझनस आसा वो कितें तरी पेट्रोल पंप आसा आनी कितें तरी तांचे आसा एजंडा. अरे बाबानो, तुमचे समज कितें तरी आसा एजंडा आनी तुमी कितें करूंक सोदता, हे जागो समज तुमी घेवपाक सोदता पळय इतलो वर्साचो, हो चुकोन दिवपाक हांव ट्रस्टा कडेन मागता, हो जागो तुमी सांबाळून दवरूंक जाय. हो जागो वचपाक शकना, कित्याक कितले पळय 49 इयर्स हांगा जे आवय भुरग्यांकली व्हडले केल्या, जाणटेलीं आनी कोण दुयेंत आशिल्लीं तांकां सिस्टरांनी होम म्हूण केल्लो, तांचे तुमी शिराक घेनाकात. दे आर क्रायींग टुडे दॅट वी डोंट हॅव अ होम टू कम. आमी लग्न जाल्यार आमकां बरें दिसता आवयगेर वचपाक, आमच्या आवयचें घर आहा, आवयगेर वचपाक. तशें त्या बायलांक न्ही हें घर आसलेलें, तुमी तांकां बेगोर करनाकात. हांवें सर एंटनी सिल्वा जो आमचो आंबेलीचो आसा, ताजो आयज सकाळीं एक व्हिडिओ पळयलो. इट वॉज अरावंड 7:30, 8 o'clock something, he posted one video. And he threw some light where I came to know. And then I said, I made up my mind that I have to go today because otherwise I would feel helpless. See, this is nothing, but I'm again saying, Mother Teresa's Missionaries of Charity, तिका Nobel Peace Award मेळिल्लो आसा, Nobel Prize मेळिल्लो आसा, पद्मश्री मेळिल्ली बायल ती. त्या बायलेन आपलो देश सोडून ते आमकां इंडियन्सांक लागून आनी तेजे चॅरिटी होम सगळे सबंद इंडियांत घातल्यो आनी ही आमची एक चॅरिटी होम आशिल्ली. मदर तेरेजाचें अस्तित्व हांगा आसा. हांव म्हणटा तिजो आत्मो हांगासर आसा. सो नाव एज आय बीन टोल्ड वेन आय स्पोक टू नील मोंटेरो, हू इज द प्रेसिडेंट, he was like telling me like let's talk, and they are come, some of them have come to speak. I told them, they briefed me, but I said that I want to talk. I would not like to blame them also, but I would like to request them. This is nobody's property. This is just the message. This Goa and Yola, he has taken over it since from 2024, last year only. So he was telling me, from last 10 years it's going on. The pathetic state, you see Pratima, it's not in the condition. I'm saying that it's a trust, तुमचे कडेन जायना जाल्यार न्ही हांव सांगतां, हांव भीक मागता गोंयकारा कडेन. हांव गोंयकार जे नॉट ओन्ली इन गोवा बट साबार आमच्या इंडियांत आसा आनी भायल्या गांवांतली तुका आसा. तुमचे कडेन जायना जाल्यार हांव उलो मारतां आनी फंड्स हाडटां, पूण मातशे पांय पडटा. हे चॅरिटी होम जे आसा पळय, होम फॉर द होपलेस एंड फॉर द होमलेस and for the destitutes and orphans should not be shut down. I request the trustees, I request the trust, SSTC, the trust which is run by here, that please get back our nuns. They are doing noble service, they are serving humanity, and तांकां परतून हाडचे. आनी जायतो लोक आसा, जायते डेस्टिट्यूट आसा गोंयांत, जायते जे होमलेस आसा तांकां होम म्हूण एक आशा आसता, तांकां परतून हाडून तांचें घर दिवचें म्हूण हांव अपेक्षा करतां.